Hello. Uh, yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet with me, Richard here. Yeah, then we are looking at this question first. It says that define metallic bond. Yeah, what is it? Okay, metallic bond is the bond formed between positive ions and delocalized valence electrons. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that calculate the relative molecular mass for each of the following. The first one is ammonia, NH3. Yes, how do you perform this? Okay, we have to know that if M represents the relative molecular mass, then we can have the compound of interest here, this time ammonia. And what do we look for? We look for relative atomic mass. For nitrogen, it's 14. For hydrogen, it's 1 by times 3, giving you 17. Yeah, then we come to relative molecular mass of hydrogen bromide. Okay, if M is standing for relative molecular mass, and then we put the compound of interest here, which is hydrogen bromide, we know that hydrogen is 1, then plus bromine, which is 80, giving us 81. Yes, today we are looking at this question, and it says that what is meant by physical change? So what is physical change? Physical change has so many various definitions, but the best we can pick from all those is that it involves change in the form or appearance of a substance, but does not involve any chemical change. So there is no any change in the chemical composition. Yeah, then we come to chemical change. Like physical change, this one has several definitions. But to me, the most outstanding one is the one where we have a new substance formed from the previous one. So during chemical change, a substance is transformed into a new substance having different physical and chemical properties. So then we come to this question. It says that consider the properties below and state whether they are identical with physical or chemical change. The first one is here, no new substance is formed. Yeah, what is that? That is physical. During physical change, no new substance is formed. Okay, then we have this one. Involves big energy changes. What kind of change is that? That is chemical change. Okay. Then we come to the next question. It says that mass, number of atoms, and molecules are conserved. Yes. This one is identifiable with what? With the physical change. Yeah, during physical change, the mass, the number of atoms, and the molecules, the number of molecules are conserved. Okay, then we come to this one. New substance is formed. Okay, this one is identifiable with what? It's identifiable with a chemical change. Okay. Then you come to this one. Involves smaller changes in energy. Yeah, this one is identifiable with what? With physical changes. Yeah, during physical changes, the energy changes are very small. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says small. Then we come to this one. It says mass and the number of atoms are conserved, but the number of molecules is not conserved. Yeah, this one is identifiable with what? With chemical change. Yeah, during chemical change, it's not a must that number of molecules are going to be conserved, but mass and the number of atoms are conserved. Yeah, then lastly, we come to this one. It says that involves rearrangement of compound, but no new bonds are formed. So this one is identifiable with what? With physical change. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that what is meant by exothermic reaction? Yeah, what is it? What is an exothermic reaction? This is the type of reaction during which energy is lost or released to the environment. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that what is meant by an endothermic reaction? Yeah, what is it? This is the type of reaction during which energy is absorbed from the environment. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that for each of the following, state whether it is a chemical change or physical change. Okay, the first one is melting of candle wax. Yeah, what is it? That is a physical change. There's not any change in the chemical properties of wax. Yeah, then we come to this one. Mixing sodium chloride and silver nitrate to form silver chloride. Yeah, what is it? That's a chemical change. Yeah, then we come to this one. Mixing hydrochloric acid plus magnesium lemon to form magnesium chloride. What is it? That is chemical change. Because both this one and this one, they involve formation of a new product. Okay, then we come to this one. Dissolving salt in water. What is that? That is physical change. Okay, then we come to this one. Tearing a piece of magnesium ribbon. Yeah, what is this? This is physical change. No new substances formed. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSP, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yes, we appreciate your time. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to share, to like. Yeah, we believe we are the best in this aspect. We pray that you stick with us. We have to remind you that we have a sister channel, Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. That's the name of the channel. So you can make a recommendation to anybody who might make use of it. With that, I would like to say thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.